want to do is clean this up, you know, clean up the gauges, make them look nice. I went ahead and just get some cleaner here and spray a little bit on here. And I've already cleaned these two. I'm going to come over here and just kind of wipe them down, you know, get all that dirt off of here. See if we can get them back looking nice and fresh. Now I'm just going to clean a little. There we go. Get this side over here. There we go. Get all that dirt, that old dirt, that old grime that's in here. And of course, this is the needle that never works, or nobody knows what it does. Just kind of sits there. And so this looks good. There, let's clean off fuel so we can see that. And then over here for temperature, same thing. Let's clean this out. Get all the dust and dirt. There we go. Okay. Nice. All right, so the last thing I want to do is go ahead and clean up my speedometer. Right. And I want to repaint my line. Now, you can buy a new one. It's a little too expensive for me. But also there's supposed to be an orange line here. You know, just kind of like after 70, good luck, you know, with your life, I guess. But also here, you know, with the line here, with my speedometer, it's just old. The paint is worn off. I went ahead and went on, I think I got it from National Parts Depot. But I went ahead and bought some paint. So let's go ahead and repaint this. So this is the paint that I got. It's orange fluorescent. Some model paint here, and I'll go ahead and have the link in the description below, so that way you guys can pick some up. And let's get started. Testors. You know, you don't want to put too much. Honestly, I'm pretty sure a lot goes a long way. A little goes a long way. And so let's get it on here. Let's see here. Mix it up a little bit better here. And probably got a little bit of